Hello guys, I will introduce you today how to easily install Kali Linux on Vmware workstation. And firstly, you need already installed Vmware workstation virtual environment, and I have already installed it. And I have already downloaded Kali Linux Vmware image, and this is the Kali Linux 2020.1 version and 64-bit Vmware image version, and where you can download it, and just click and just write here Kali Linux Vmware image and go to the site offensivesecurity.com and go here, and this is the Vmware image, and this is the torrent file. If you want to download it, if your operating system 64, you can download it as a 64-bit. My operating system 64-bit, and I downloaded it torrent version for 64-bit. Its size 2.1 gigabytes, and I have already downloaded it. And after you download the Kali Linux Vmware image, you can see here and zip like this, and you can extract this. It will extract like this, and just double click here. It will automatically open and already configured Kali Linux version. And just power on. Just click enter. And this is the configured version, and it's easily to open and to use Kali Linux on your virtual machine. And it's opening soon. Yes, it's already installed, and you write here just Kali password as Kali. Click login. Yes, the password is as login Kali and Kali, and it's already opened. But it's loading. Yes, it's already loaded, and we can open here Kali Linux terminal and just who am I? Yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.